Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this video again. My name is Grace. If you are watching me for the first time, this is Daily Drop Inspiration. We do this every day as God give us grace. And firstly, I want to apologize for not being able to release any video for the past 2 days. There has been some assignment I cannot dodge. And if you are watching for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to your loved ones. God will be helping us to share some things on this platform, and I know it's going to be a blessing to you and I as well. Today, I am inspired to talk about something. We are all aware that we have few days to our general election, where we'll be determining the next 4 years of this country. And if God will be kind to us, we'll have a very nice experience, different from what we have been having in the time past. So, now today, the title of my video is the value of our national anthem. Every time we sing it, they play it. For some of us, it doesn't really count or meant anything. But for some of us, we do think anytime that national anthem is being, played, or anytime I have cause to sing it, I sit down and I look inward. What is the value of this national anthem to me? The national anthem said, "Oh, arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey." There is a Nigeria's call. There is a call expected to be obeyed, to serve our fatherland with love, strength, and faith. It means we are not going to be giving up on this country. It means we believe in this system. It's only for us to do what is right and make the labor of our heroes past not to be in vain. To serve in love, to serve with our hearts, to serve with faith that yes, there is a future. They do say we are developing country, but we need to grow past that language. Indeed, in actions. Now is another time to prove that there is a value on this country. Looking at the words in this national anthem, they said help the youth the truth to know, a lofty height attain, to build a nation where peace and justice shall reign. All these are like fading away in this country. For me not to be assertive though, yes, if they still exist. But this is the time to make it right. You will be voting for those that will be voting. Put the value of this national anthem, the wordings of this national anthem, right in front of you as you cast your vote, as you decide to follow the candidates you chose to follow, as you decide to take the actions you will be taking on Saturday. Put these words in front of you. If you don't have them, you can just browse through and you can read it over and over and over again. Not because of today, not because of you, but because of the generations that will be coming. Don't forget, any decision we are making now, it will either make or mar the system the more. I believe we are all tired. I believe we are clamoring for change. Let our actions and our votes bring the change we desire. And more importantly, don't let us forget the factor of Almighty God. If the Lord did not build a house, they labor in vain that builds it. Don't let us put our trust in men as the case may be. Let's trust God in them to deliver a new Nigeria we desire. And together we will all eat the good of this land. So like this video, share it, and I come away again your way next time. I remain Grace. Thank you.